Subject verb agreement. In a sentence, verb must agree with the subject in number and person. For example, Bala loves swimming. Lisa and Navin like playing chess. When subject in a sentence is singular, the verb is singular, and when the subject in a sentence is plural, the verb is plural. For example, Henry likes Deepak. Meena and Ravi like the kitten. See how verb takes suffix s in first sentence and it does not take suffix s in second sentence because of the singular and plural subjects. A pair of scissors takes singular verb, but scissors take plural verb. Names which refer to class such as furniture, cutlery take singular verb. For example, the furniture is of best quality. News, advice, business, information take singular verb. Names of some diseases also take singular verb. When the subject contains one of the followed by plural noun, it takes singular verb. For example, Ajinkya is one of the brilliant students in our class. Collective noun takes singular verb. For example, there is a bouquet of flowers. But a dozen takes plural verb. For example, there are a dozen of mangoes. Two singular subjects joined by conjunction and take plural verb. For example, Mridu and Meena are cousins. When two or more singular subjects are considered to be one noun phrase, it takes singular verb. For example, slow and steady wins the race. Idli and sambar is a delicious treat. When sentence begins with there, verb agrees with the subject which comes later. For example, there was a kind king. A kind king, singular subject, was singular verb. Words like lot of, plenty of take plural verb with countable nouns and singular verb with uncountable nouns. For example, there are plenty of fruits. Here, fruits is a countable noun and it is in plural form. Hence, the verb is are. And in second sentence, there is a plenty of excitement. Excitement is uncountable noun. So, verb is. Both and a number of always take plural verb. For example, both the girls were rewarded. When two subjects are joined by the conjunction neither nor, the verb agrees with person and number of the closer subject. For example, neither Riya nor I am going to school. Here, I is closer to the verb. That's why am this verb is used. Indefinite pronouns any, some take singular verb.